Oh my God.
Side. Help me.
Thank you so much. Yeah. You have some onions too here.
They're in plenty.
Yeah. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's underscore Electa. Please subscribe to this channel, like, share, and drop some comments. So today here it's in the evening. As you can see, the weather, it's like it's going to rain anytime from now. Yeah. So, and today I would like to walk around the farm. I want to do some compound tour in our farm here, and here I'm with one of my best friend.
Hello guys, welcome back to It's underscore Electa's YouTube channel. Thank you so much for hosting me on your channel. I go by the name Baby Carol. In case you are viewing her channel for the very first time and you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing for more and more amazing videos. So right here it's in the evening, and she decided to take a farm tour. So we'll take you around the place and everything. Very sure they'll enjoy the scenery. So please stay tuned till the end of the video. I go by the name Baby Carol, and thank you so much for always supporting us. Much love from this side.
So we start from this side here. This part they have not already been plowed. Maybe they are going to plant maybe some watermelons we bought yesterday. Here we have these vegetables here. Mchicha in Kiswahili, but in English. Carol, do you know the name of the vegetable?
In English, I don't know. It looks like a pigweed.
Emboga,
yeah, it's pigweed.
Oh yeah.
What about this one?
This is Nini. What do we call it? But I know in Ekekugusi only.
How is it called?
This is called omotioki. Sometimes when safari hands come to your house, you just take this and unazitupia hivi. They will run away. Because it has a very strong smell. Omotioki in English
is it means smelling.
Omotioki. Wow. And here we have some kales or sukuma wiki. And they are so healthy. Wow.
The place, it's I think very fertile.
And we did not use any fertilizer.
The place is fertile. Because some places you might grow like this and it won't grow like this. Like this one is very healthy.
And we have some onions too. Onions, spider plants. And some tomatoes here. This is endrem. I don't know in English. You know?
No, in English I don't know.
Wow.
But it's very sweet when you cook it.
It's like mrenda. And here too we have these pumpkin
leaves.
They look so healthy and big. Wow. See?
The place looks beautiful.
It's
full of greens.
And here we have some maize here.
They've grown very huge.
And this is my another brother's house. My younger brother. Here is the eldest brother. Wow. This is our kitchen. See where we prepare our food. It's hot.
Warm.
Okay.
We used it for cooking lunchtime. So I think right now the fire has gone off.
But we are going also to prepare our dinner. Pumpkins too here. And we have some potatoes. planted here. Here we have this peas. Naitwa minji peas, ndio?
Yeah.
Yeah. Already they have flowers. See, they look so good.
Yeah. It has been planted in row until the farthest end.
Yeah.
Wow.
And we have to apply some what pesticide. You see,
It has been
the caterpillar are attacking
infected.
this maize here.
Even these ones.
Yeah.
Need to
But
be
I think
sprayed.
they have already sprayed some pesticide. I think 5 days ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it will be okay.
Yeah. They are going to die. Wow. Can you see this sukuma wiki? It's a big one. Wow. So healthy.
Yeah.
And here are some sweet potatoes. Yeah. Some spinach and tomatoes. Wow. Have to walk around here. And this farm is so big. You can see it's so big, very big. My brother, you can see my brother from far. He's reading.
Yeah.
But you know what? Tomorrow I'm going to the farm very early in the morning. I'm going to help him weeding. Yeah. This is our what? Latrine.
Toilet, yeah.
Both a latrine and a what? A bathroom.
Bathroom.
Yeah.
That's good.
And this is our fence. You see how my brother did this? Our fence here. Of this little fence, he has some domes.
Yeah.
So it's hard for somebody to penetrate coming to this
This
side.
side,
Yeah. Also,
And
you
then-
planted some trees here. Yeah.
Eucalyptus.
Wow. What were you trying to say?
I was saying like some people like using this kind of fences there in there's this place in Kenya,
Yeah,
Kisii,
Kisii,
like
yeah.
they like this type of fencing.
No, it's because it has
Thorns.
thorns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No one can enter inside your compound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. See this beauty farm here.
Touch your clothes.
Oh my
This
God.
side.
Help me. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have some onions too here.
They are in plenty.
Yeah. Onions. And this beans here, it's like he planted a few days ago.
It has started
They're now
popping
germinating.
out.
Yeah.
Wow.
You see? Wow. Do you like the onions?
Yeah, they have grown tall,
Mm-hmm.
healthy.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Guys, and we have these gumboots. You have not. Oh, you are trying to say somebody bought us these gumboots as a
Yeah.
gift.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see? Now we
Looks
can
nice.
walk comfortably. Even if it rains, we are just so comfortable.
Yeah.
How about you, Carol? How do you feel with these gumboots?
I also feel comfortable because okay, this place is when it rains, it's very muddy.
Yeah.
So I think the gumboots will help a lot, and a big thanks the one
Who brought these gums for us? Yeah. We're so happy.
It's comfortable. Inside, you know, you can step anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, with no fear like there's a thorn in front.
Mm-hmm.
Just feel.
The person who planted this, can you see the lines? They're so straight. Wow. But I think it's the new, what do you call it? A tractor. Yeah. Even tomorrow, I think we are going to show them how the tractor plants maize and beans. Yeah. The cleanness of the area. Yeah. Here they were just trying to make a new, what do you call it? A borehole. But they didn't get water. So deep. It's about 21 feet, but no water. See, they covered it with these domes for security. Yeah.
So that nothing can enter inside.
Yeah.
A dog.
You know, here even then you need the gazelles pass through here, the hyena.
Ooh.
Yeah. In a few days here you're going to hear the sound of the hyena. Will you get scared?
Yeah.
Because the hyena just passes here, just here. Even here it passes around here. Yeah. In the night.
It's scary.
Yeah, so scary.
Yeah. So there are many wild animals at this place.
Yeah, and from far there you can see some goats grazing. Is it clear? Yeah, they can see some goats grazing around here. Wow. Okay. So
Here at this place, like there are many wild animals.
yeah, we have the zebras, the gazelles, hyenas. Even sometimes the elephants comes around here, but the nini, what do we call? The game park police comes and they take them away because the elephants are so dangerous.
Oh, they can kill a person?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a very, very dangerous wild animal. Even tomorrow, I think we are going to adventure one of the forests around here, and see if we can get the zebras.
Zebra?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Because I heard they come around here during the morning hours.
Yeah.
They cross from that side, coming to this side to graze.
Wow.
Yeah. I think we need to get more pesticide. You see, these maize are
Just been
attacked.
affected.
Yeah. But they look green.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very green. Yeah, it's the best place
to be.
Yeah. Like it's very green.
But sometimes I need to get my own farm and do farming.
Yeah, you can.
Because you can see somebody planted this. This farm just, this part's one person, the other one person. Yeah.
Looks great.
Yeah. So we have to work hard so that we can get our place and plant maize and beans and do agriculture. Yeah. You know, this is vegetable.
Yeah.
Beans leaves. Yeah. They're so delicious. And you can use this as firewood too, but not here. You know, here we have lots of firewood, but in New Zealand they use this as firewood. Masaku, yeah.
Yeah. It's wood in lighting fire.
But it ends faster.
Yeah. And a lot of smoke.
Yeah.
There's always a choice. Can you help me?
The farm is too big. Yeah.
More energy.
It's maize and beans.
There's always a
So this thing they are
choice.
putting here,
Can you help me?
these are used for project.
Can you help me?
To scare birds.
I need more energy.
Yeah. Because
There's
sometimes the birds
always a
come and
choice.
some flowers.
Can you help me?
Flowers.
I need more energy.
You know the flower that the one which brings the beans. Yeah.
Can you help me?
even the monkeys are around here.
They also invade when the maize are grown.
Yeah,
They can remove and eat.
yeah. I think this farm is so big. I think tomorrow while I'm weeding, I'll take you then the other part.
Oh yeah, the farthest end there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so big.
Yeah. But I think this place many people haven't like planted.
Mm-hmm.
Like the farms, they're just like Dago. They have harvested.
Yeah.
Like how can I say it? Like I've not seen many farms like being planted. They are just left like that.
Plowed but not planted.
Yeah.
It's like they are buying seeds. Maybe somebody is looking for the capital to pay for the workers. But today I saw somebody planting maize and beans there with the tractor.
Yeah.
I think most of the people are going to plant maybe this week.
So they harvested, now they are preparing for
To
the
plant.
planting season.
Yeah.
Wow.
So good. This is our neighbor here. He's a good neighbor, but he's not around. He lives in a nearby town here. Yeah. We are going to sell this place and plant some watermelon, yeah, and some squash. Together. How do you call this?